Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll see how to calculate interest on jewel loan in Excel. And for this purpose, I have taken the example of Canara Bank, and these are the features of Canara Bank. So I have also taken the example of reference of the actual receipt, and this is the receipt of the card that you get if you take the jewel loan. And towards my right hand side, this is the copy that has been taken from the bank passbook regarding the payment of this jewel loan. So the first feature is that you need to make the payment within 1 year of the taking loan. So this is not like wherein you make the payment of interest on monthly basis. You're making the payment on yearly basis. So I have taken the loan on 24th of August 2021, which means before 23rd of August 2022, you are supposed to repay the loan amount along with the interest. So if you're not able to make the payment of entire amount, you can make the payment of only the interest amount and you can renew this jewel. Now, this details, this date, the amount of 90,000, that is what I have jotted down here. And this interest rate relates to the year 2021 because we are taking the example of 2021, which is 7.25%. And this interest rate will keep on changing. So you can visit the bank's website to know the changes in the interest rate. And you should also note, along with that 7.25%, you will be supposed to make the payment of processing fee of 0.5% also. So banks may not be clearly state you about this processing fee, but still while calculating, this 0.5% is included. Now what matters the most is the date on which you're going to make the repayment of your loan. So again, I'll go back to the other sheet. You can see that the loan has been repaid on 26 June 2022, and this is the actual amount paid along with the interest. And this is the loan which is taken on agriculture. You can see agri, which means this is nothing but Canara banks have offer agricultural jewel loan, and the rate of interest might be a little lesser for the agricultural bank loan. So let's start off the calculation. So before starting off the calculation, we need to find out the number of days between the loan date and the date of repayment. And for this purpose, we are going to make use of derivative function. So I'll start off with equal sign and type derivative function. Open parenthesis, and this is the loan date, comma, this is the repayment date, comma. Within quotations, I'm giving it as D because I need the number of days. Now close the parenthesis and then press enter. Now we have got the number of days as 307, and based on this now we need to calculate. So we are going to make use of a simple interest formula, which is loan amount into rate of interest into the number of days. So I'll start off with equal sign. So loan amount is 90,000 into interest rate is 7.25% into, and the number of days is 307 divided by 365 because there are 365 days in a year, and then press enter. So once you press enter, this will give you the interest amount, but this is not the actual interest amount because we have not calculated 0.5% of processing fee. So now what I'll do, I'll just double click in order to edit this. So I'll start off with equal sign and I'll make use of plus sign and I'll add 0.5% and then press enter. So once you press enter, you'll get the actual interest amount. So the amount that you need to repay is 90,000 plus this interest amount 5867. So 95,869 is the actual amount that you need to repay, and the amount that has been collected by bank is 95,859. So there is a slight variance of maybe 7 or 8 rupees. So but still we are very close, and this is how the actual calculation in banks goes about happening. So if in case you're making the payment maybe in July, all you have to do is that you need to just make the changes in the date, and it will show you the actual interest amount for that particular period. And that concludes this video. If you're watching my channel for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon for further updates.